Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson combustion, fuels and flame from 8th class. Okay, with different activities. As you know that in our olden days we use different materials for cooking purpose. So let us do an activity. See, I have taken the spirit lamp. I have taken the spirit lamp. I am trying to burn the piece of chalk. I am trying to burn the piece of chalk. The piece of chalk is not burning. The piece of chalk is not burning. Next one, see this. In the same manner, అట్లా వచ్చినప్పుడు పాస్లో పెట్టాలి. Taken some zinc metal, I am trying to burn it. Zinc metal is not burning. Zinc metal is not burning. Now I have taken magnesium ribbon. This is magnesium ribbon. I hold the magnesium ribbon with the help of the tongs and I am trying to burn the magnesium ribbon. Does it burn or not? Let us check. See, it is taking a lot of time. Observe this. Does it burn or not? See this? Magnesium is burning with dazzling white light. It is burning with dazzling white light. So ఈ మెగ్నీషియం రిబ్బన్ చాలా సేపటి తర్వాత మంటను అంటుకొని ఏమైంది, తెల్లటి రంగుతోటి మండుతుంది. అవునా? తెల్లటి ప్రకాశవంతమైనటువంటి రంగుతోటి ఇది మండుతుంది. అవునా కదా? అంటే ఇంతకుముందేమో చాక్ పీస్ను మండించినప్పుడు చాక్ పీసు మంటను అంటుకోలేదు. అదేవిధంగా జింక్ లోహాన్ని మనము అంటించినప్పుడు జింకు లోహం కూడా మంటను అంటుకోలేదు. కానీ మెగ్నీషియం రిబ్బన్ మాత్రం ఏమైంది, కొద్దిసేపటి తర్వాత మంటని అంటుకొని మండడం జరిగింది, ప్రకాశవంతంగా మండడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను, ఐ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ సమ్ క్యాంపర్, హారతి బిల్ల అంటాం కదా, హారతి. See this? I have taken camphor. I have taken camphor. See this. Observe this. See, immediately it caught the fire. Immediately it caught the fire. Observe this one. It is burning. Camphor is burning. Camphor is burning. Next, at the same time, see, I have taken a piece of paper. I have taken a piece of paper. I am trying to burn the piece of paper. Observe this. Does it burn or not? See this. The paper is burning. The paper is burning. Are you clear about that one? So, with this experiment, what we observed, when few substances or few materials brought near the flame, they catch the flame and they burn. They burn. So, the process of burning any substance in the presence of air is known as what we call it combustion. What we call it combustion. So what is meant by combustion? The process of burning the process of burning the material in the presence of air. Air in the sense, air is a mixture of several gases, so oxygen. In the presence of air or oxygen is called, what we call it, combustion. So the materials which burn in the presence of oxygen or air are known as combustible materials. What we call them? Combustible. Combustible materials. The materials which burn in the presence of air consists of oxygen are called combustible materials. Examples of combustible materials: petroleum, wood, camphor, etc. Coal, etc. These are the examples for combustible materials. So I burnt magnesium ribbon also. Magnesium ribbon is also a combustible material, but it takes some time to burn. Okay, whereas camphor readily catches the fire and burns. Are you clear about that one? Next, the materials like piece of chalk, rock and zinc, they are not combustible materials. So they are known as non-combustible. Materials which do not burn. In the presence of air, or air consists of oxygen. So with this we can say that for burning process, that is for combustion to take place, what we need? We need air. See, does air is required for the combustion process to take place? Let us do an activity. Air is required for the combustion process to take place. See, for that one, the materials needed, see this, the materials needed: a candle. Observe this one. I lighted the candle. See this. I lighted the candle. I lighted the candle now. See this. I have taken the glass. I inverted the glass on the candle. Now the candle is burning because air is available. Air consists of oxygen as one of its component. Now what I am doing? I am inverting the glass on the candle. Observe what happens to the candle. Observe this. What happens? Observe it carefully. What happened to the flame? What happened to the flame? The flame is put off. ఏమైంది? క్యాండిల్ ఏమైంది? ఆరిపోయింది. క్యాండిల్ ఆరిపోయింది. ఎందుకు ఆరిపోయింది? Now once again you observe this carefully. See this? The flame is now flickering. It is flickering. అటు ఇటు కాదు చూడండి అది. Now see this one. The flame is put off because there is no air. See this once again. I inverted the glass and the candle. See this. Now I am removing. Again it is burning. It is glowing. It is burning. Are you clear about that one? So with this experiment, what we can say? Air is essential for the things to burn. Air is essential for the things to burn. So what is the important thing you have to remember? Air is essential for combustion to take place. Okay? Air is needed. Though air is available, but all the materials do not burn. So the material which burn are known as combustible material, which do not burn are known as non-combustible materials. Are you clear about that one? So I told you what are combustible materials and what are non-combustible materials. And for the combustion process to take place, what do we need? We need air. Now what do the air consist of? Which component of the air helps or supports the combustion process? So air, I told you, air is a mixture of several gases. So oxygen is also present in it. Oxygen supports combustion process. Are you clear about that one? Let us do another activity to prove that oxygen supports the combustion process. So for that one, what are the materials I need? See this one. I have taken a test tube. Okay. I hold the test tube with the help of the, what is that? Test tube holder. What we call it? Test tube holder. Now see this. A pinch of see this one. I have taken a pinch of, what is that? Potassium permanganate. See this one. I have taken a pinch of potassium permanganate in the test tube. I hold the test tube with the help of the test tube holder. Now I lighted the spirit lamp. See this. Now I lighted the incendiary stick also. Now see this. I am heating potassium permanganate. Now observe this. I am introducing, see this one. See this. Observe the changes. What is happening? It is burning brightly. Is it? Okay, observe this carefully. What is happening? When potassium permanganate is heated, observe this. When potassium permanganate is heated, see, it gives oxygen. So with this we can say that oxygen supports combustion. Do you observe that one? Once again. Okay? Oxygen is liberated. This oxygen is supporting combustion process to take place. Are you clear? Once again you observe this. I am heating the potassium permanganate. See this one. Okay, so oxygen is supporting combustion process. Are you clear about that one? So oxygen supports combustion. Are you clear? Do you understand the concept? Are you clear? So when I heat potassium permanganate, this potassium permanganate gives oxygen. This oxygen supports the combustion process. Okay, see this one. Can you observe this? Okay, this supports the combustion process. Are you clear? So with this we can say that oxygen supports combustion. Now, so what are the materials needed to do this activity? What materials I have taken to prove oxygen supports? To prove oxygen supports combustion. What are the materials needed? What are the materials needed? Potassium permanganate, test tube, next test tube holder, next spirit lamp, next incense stick, అంటే ఊదికడ్డి, incense stick. Okay, next what is the procedure we followed? We have taken a test tube, we have taken some potassium permanganate in it, and I hold the test tube with the help of the test tube holder, and I heated potassium permanganate with the help of the spirit lamp. So when I introduced incense stick in it, it burns more brightly. So with this we can say that oxygen is evolved and that oxygen is supporting combustion process. Are you clear about that one? Okay, do you follow the concept? Any doubt in it? Okay, now after this you have to list out the keywords. I will read the lesson, and you too have to read the lesson, and you have to identify the keywords, and you have to know the meaning of the keywords. Are you clear? Okay, thank you children.